At Elderview Farm, the day begins with a rooster chorus and a patient coffee as tractors hum gently. The team herds sheep, fixes fences, and laughs when a curious pig decides to audit the morning timetable. A rookie scarecrow earns nods for style while teaching kids about weather patterns through playful shadows and wind. A stubborn irrigation leak becomes a tiny hero's journey, saving parched tomato dreams and sparking neighborhood DIY pride. Evening returns with stories over a shared supper as farmers reflect on small victories and hopeful plans for tomorrow.